everyone, come to Chef Works at Restaurant and Bar Hong Kong 2018 and pick up some of these. Comes with a bag. This is the good stuff right here. So I like it when it's all closed off, and then when the water splashes, it doesn't splash into your shoe. It's really comfy too. I want some of these. Chef Works got a little something for everyone. They keep my model that I like to use because I'm the only one that uses it. And they're like, you're the only one, this is why we keep this model. My one is sort of like that, but it's got knots. The executive chefs with the top hats and stuff, with the toque, wear these beautiful sort of Egyptian cotton ones, which are just beautiful and fantastic. Get one. And they got these other ones, the Urban Collection, button down the middle. I'm loving the button down the middle. This is my new thing, simply because obviously I'm Chinese. I am Chinese, and it's a very Chinese Asian sort of a feel to it. And then this one is gonna revolutionize the game. I'm waiting for them to come out with a short sleeve version of this, because look at this. Look at the stretch on this. Look at that. I love it. I love this one so much. Air vents, stretch. I love that. The urban line is fantastic because, like, we come to an age where it's more about a lot about comfort food, a lot about going back to your roots. And when you're cooking comfort food and you're a little bit like stiff, I don't think that feeling can go through so much. I don't know. I'm more of a touchy-feely kind of guy. So wearing something more urban, more like the urban line or more denim oriented, probably puts you in a more of a mindset, a mind frame where what you're cooking and what you're wearing is almost helping you out. That's it. There's a bit of everything for everyone. And oh, look at that. Damn, denim pants too. Where are your aprons? Your aprons are so sexy. You should put more of them out. I mean, look. Oh, dude.
Delicious.
That's the stuff right there. That was nice. With the sandblasting.
Yes.
Sandblasting.
And as you wash it, it gets like a bit of it gets a little nice faded look.
Yeah. You know, this sexy stuff.
Yes. Usually we like to, you only wear this.
Yeah.
You know, you don't need anything else.
Nothing else.
Yes.
Yeah. This mountain of
It's
muscle.
called the Adam and Eve apron.
Yeah. Maybe some nice sneakers.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna parade this.
Yeah.
Nice. I wanna go parade this. I'm good with this. This is good. Get your aprons here!